At this intersection, it's been pouring rain since last night till this morning.
It's raining so heavy. How lucky, I got away in time.
The tunnel is flooded. Should I go down there? Oh no, my car is sinking. Someone help me.
The rescue team is here.
Thanks for saving me.
Everyone, please stop your vehicles.
What happened?
This is a mess.
I need to drain this tunnel quickly. A lot of water is getting sucked into the truck.
How to build the water suction truck. Step 1. Build the truck body. First, I'm going to build the rear chassis, the motor, the wheel. Now, I'll build the front chassis. Connect the two chassis. These front wheels can help the truck steer left and right. Connect to the battery box. Next, I'll build the cabin. Step 2. Build the water suction tank. Plastic water bottle. Plastic tube. Testing. Bowl of water. Let's see how it sucks up water.
Just a little water left in the tunnel. I need to go down there.
After multiple rounds of suction, the water in the tunnel has gone down a lot.
Let's keep sucking up water.
Before. After.
The tunnel has been drained completely.
Everyone can pass through it now.
Are you okay?
I got an idea.
Huh?
Look.
Huh? I think we need to move the sand away.
Okay.
Hello, Tom, I need all those vegetables.
Huh? Look.
Let's do it together.
Okay.
Huh?
Thank you, Alex.
Huh?
Thank you so much.
It's really terrible. The streets are filled with garbage. Mouses, cockroaches, and flies are appearing everywhere.
Ew!
The people are advised to wear masks when going outside.
If trash is not cleaned up, there is a risk of disease outbreaks.
The air is heavily polluted.
My garbage truck is broken. I can't collect the garbage anymore.
No problem. I'll build a new garbage truck for you. How to build the garbage truck. Step 1. Build the body. Step 2. Build the lifting and pushing arm. Step 3. Build the garbage compartment. Step 4. Build the engine. Testing.
Great, I can continue my work now.
All right, Alex, let's clean up the streets together.
Everyone, I come back with my new garbage truck.
You'll work well.
Wish you work efficiently.
Welcome back.
Let's start collecting trash now. Great, it's exactly what it works.
Keep up the good work cleaning.
You do very well.
Look what I do.
Hang in there, Alex.
Thank you for helping to clean our environment.
I'm done.
This morning, a giant Orbeez rain occurred at Lego Park. The sudden rain caused heavy damage to the park.
Let's go. Mr. Hand, we need to help them clean up the giant Orbeez at the park. We are here to help you.
What a great garbage truck!
Marvelous.
I did it!
Yeah!
Orbeez have been completely collected. The park is clean again.
You are very kind.
Thank you.
Recyclable waste. Organic waste. Dangerous waste. Railroad crossing.
Someone calls 911.
I've had an accident. I need assistance.
We'll be there in a few minutes.
How was a car carrier truck made? Step 1. Testing the chassis. Step 2. Connect a truck head to a chassis. Step 3. Build a fold ramp gate. Step 4. Build an upper floor lifting. Testing the automation. How does it work? Railroad crossing.
Luckily, everyone is okay.
Let's begin.
I'm almost done.
All right, we'll handle the rest.
Good luck. Rescue station.
I came back.
We're ready.
Try your best.
Of course, trust us.
Come on, let's do it together.
Let's begin.
Hello.
I need all the wood right now.
Okay. Please help me put all the wood on the train.
Okay.
Call me if you need to.
Excuse me.
You're welcome. Done. Thank you so much.